Alrighty, y'all. No bites so far. Got Justin, my old roommate, and his father. They're going upstream more. We're all just gonna keep moving. We got some walking to do today, which is good. Get the health going early. We stopped at a pond first off, and let's say there's probably about 12 people there. And we're doing our little social distancing thing. We're staying 6 feet apart. But at the pond, it's just way too many people. We don't want to be socializing with, and it hasn't even been stocked yet. So for that many people to be there, it was crazy. So we just decided, let's come hit the freaking creeks and see what's good here. Justin lost one here the other day. I guess he was using a Phoebe, and he lost it right about up just a little bit to my left here. But so we got a Phoebe tied on. Like I said, I have no freaking idea what the hell I'm doing. So we're just gonna listen to what their tips and tricks say are distancing. Try to catch some fish, get some freaking miles on the feet. Speaking of that, I think it's time to get upstream a little bit more. We gotta stay close because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Beautiful. Well, we're currently snagged, but your boy is definitely out of shape. Sweating pretty good. But we got her. Got it unstuck. Starting to rain a little bit. Let's keep moving, but yeah, I'm definitely way the heck out of shape for walking in the wilderness. It's been a while on these waders. Are a little tight on me because I'm fat. So, making it have a little bit of a challenge, but we're gonna keep going this way with you guys. Gonna take some clothing off like we just did. And keep on chugging along. I don't mind a little sprinkle.
No, no.
Yeah, cool.
I mean, when we went to Basswood, it was downpour.
Holy clay. Carry on my wayward son. What? There's a water over there. Oh yeah. Backwards. I don't know. I've never fished this. It's all you, bud. Holy shit. Oh, fuck. Careful. What? There's no ledge for you. Here, can you take my pole?
Fuck you, I did it on my own. My dad watched everything.
Did he?
I don't know. Can you get out of the way for stuff?
Oh, skunk cabin sucks.
I smell like it. I can smell it on me.
Probably because you took one.
I took one for the team, Kyle.
I took one for the team. Did you hear me? He caught one. Yeah, I guess one. What? So he's getting more bites over there too. Worm. I'm gonna go up top there, see if I catch anything. Because we need to stay on that side, right?
Yeah, we can stay on his side.
Okay.
I'll be over there in a minute.
Okay.
Yep, nice and slow.
I don't think so. Nothing. Justin's hooked up. Catcher?
Yep.
See
See this?
that
This
ripples?
current? Yep. Cast on the side of the current and just let it take it. Yep.
That's fine?
Mm-hmm.
Lock and
Reel a
bail?
little bit, yep. Reel in a little bit. Let it sit.
And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you. Baby up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding.
Stop. Alright, welcome back guys. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was a freaking blast getting out there with my friend and his dad. And like I said, I didn't catch anything, but they ended up catching each a trout. So they had a successful fishing adventure. So I had to make a video out of this because obviously every time you go fishing you're not going to catch a fish. And it was fun out there, really relaxing. You're one with nature, and you're walking through the creeks, you're hearing the birds chirping, like freaking just a early morning lovely hike in the woods. Dave, Justin's father, he saw a coyote. We saw a bunch of deer. We kicked out rabbits, and I saw a turtle. And it was a fun time. So I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video, start to end. I didn't end up with any fish, but that's fine. Like I said, it was a blast getting out there with those guys. We kept our social distancing, and like I said, we had a freaking amazing time. But until next time guys, please do me a freaking solid, hit that subscribe button, road to 300, share the heck out of this video, tell all your friends, your family, and until next time, leave a like. I love you guys. We're out of here. Peace.